Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your HP OMEN 17 gaming laptop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 32GB DDR5 kit designed for the 17 CK 217 CM200 models. If you're rocking one of these OMEN laptops, you know they're already pretty powerful machines. But like any gaming rig, there's always room for improvement, and one of the easiest ways to get a noticeable performance bump is by upgrading your RAM. This ATEC kit comes with two 16GB DDR5 SODMM modules for a total of 32GB. Now, the speed is rated at 5,600 MHz, which is seriously fast. Keep in mind, though, that some models might run at slightly lower speeds, like 5,200 MHz or even 4,800 MHz, depending on your CPU's limitations. But even at those slightly lower speeds, you're still getting a significant upgrade over slower DDR4 memory. The modules are non-ECC, unbuffered, and adhere to the JEDEC DDR5 standard, operating at a safe 1.1V. What does all that mean in the real world? It means this RAM is designed to be stable, reliable, and compatible with your HP OMEN 17. The biggest benefit of upgrading to 32GB of RAM is that it expands your system's available memory resources. This translates to smoother multitasking, reduced bottlenecks, and an increased workload capacity. If you're someone who likes to have multiple applications open at once, or if you're a content creator who works with large files, this upgrade can make a huge difference in your day-to-day workflow. Games will also benefit, especially those with large open worlds or complex simulations. Installation is also very easy. ATEC designed this kit for quick and easy installation at home, so no expertise is required. Just refer to your system's manual for seating and channel guidelines. ATEC backs this memory kit with a limited lifetime warranty, which is always reassuring. Plus, they have a knowledgeable tech team available to help you before and after your purchase, so you're not on your own if you run into any issues. Overall, the ATEC 32GB DDR5 RAM kit is a solid upgrade option for HP OMEN 17 owners looking to boost their laptop's performance. It's fast, reliable, and easy to install, making it a worthwhile investment for gamers and content creators alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.